Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. And in today's video I will be showing you how you can easily delete your Amazon Pay account on your phone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family, and let's get into it. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that you cannot delete your Amazon Pay account by your Amazon shopping app. You have to go to your phone browser. So simply just go to your phone browser, then you will simply just type in this www.amazonpay.in/help. I will just put in this link below, so you can simply go there and delete your pay account. So once you're done with the link, then you will simply search it, and this particular page will open up. Once you search with that link, then you can see it says closing an Amazon Pay account. So if you will just go down and read this particular article, then you can see in the last one, you can see if you still want to cancel the service, please navigate to the contact us page, click Amazon Pay integration issues and request to close your account. So you can simply tap on this blue highlighted contact us, tap on it, and this particular interface will open where you have add in your login details. And then once you sign in, then you will simply be given the instruction by Amazon itself to delete your Amazon Pay account. And yeah, once you follow the lead given by Amazon itself, then you can simply delete your Amazon Pay account. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you the answers of your questions, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.